How to add voiceover to Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will guide you how you can add a voiceover to your Instagram Reels. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of this interface. Select the Reel option from the menu bar at the bottom. Now from your device, you have to select the reel where you want to add your voiceover on. Once you land on this interface, navigate to this menu bar on your interface. From there, you have to select the record or the microphone icon. Now you could add a voiceover to your reel. Tap on the record button on this interface and record your voice. Once you're done with that, now you can preview your voice recording. If you want to edit further, you could also do that, and once you're satisfied with your voiceover, you could directly post the reel on your account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.